Welcome to day 16 of breaking free from anxiety. Today we explore mindful eating, transforming meals into meditation. Eating is something we do multiple times every day, yet we rarely do it with full awareness. Most of us eat while distracted, watching TV, scrolling phones, or rushing through meals. This disconnection from our food creates disconnection from our bodies and the present moment. Mindful eating is the practice of bringing complete attention to the experience of eating. Research by Dr. Jean Christella shows that mindful eating reduces anxiety, improves digestion, and enhances satisfaction with food. It also helps regulate eating patterns and creates a healthier relationship with food. Today you'll learn to transform every meal into an opportunity for presence and gratitude. Let's explore why mindful eating is so powerful for anxiety. Eating mindfully activates the parasympathetic nervous system. This is your body's rest and digest mode, which naturally reduces anxiety. When you eat in a stressed state, your body can't properly digest food. This can lead to digestive issues, nutrient malabsorption, and increased anxiety. Mindful eating breaks the cycle of stress and poor digestion. It also creates a natural pause in your day, a moment of peace and nourishment. The act of slowing down to eat mindfully calms your entire nervous system. This calm state then carries over into other activities. Let's learn the basic principles of mindful eating. Principle 1. Eat without distractions. Turn off the TV, put away your phone, and focus solely on eating. Create a peaceful environment for your meals. This allows you to fully experience the food and your body's responses. Principle 2. Eat slowly and chew thoroughly. Most people eat too quickly, which impairs digestion and satisfaction. Chewing slowly releases more flavors and helps your body recognize fullness. Aim to chew each bite 20-30 times before swallowing. Principle 3. Engage all your senses. Notice the colors, textures, smells, and sounds of your food. This multisensory awareness enhances the eating experience. It also helps you feel more satisfied with smaller amounts of food. Principle 4. Listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Eat when you're hungry, not just because it's mealtime. Stop eating when you're satisfied, not when your plate is empty. This requires tuning into your body's subtle signals. Principle 5. Approach food with gratitude and curiosity. Consider the journey your food took to reach your plate. Appreciate the farmers, the earth, the sun, and the rain that made your meal possible. This gratitude transforms eating into a spiritual practice. Practice these principles with your next meal. Let's learn the formal mindful eating meditation. This practice uses a single raisin or piece of fruit to explore mindful eating. If you have a raisin, grape, or small piece of fruit, get it now. If not, You can do this practice with any small food item. Hold the food in your palm and look at it as if you've never seen it before. Notice its color, shape, and texture. Observe any thoughts or judgments that arise about this food. Now bring the food close to your nose and smell it. Notice any scents and how they affect your body. You might notice your mouth beginning to water. Place the food in your mouth, but don't chew yet. Notice the texture on your tongue and the immediate taste. Now begin to chew very slowly. Notice how the texture and flavor change as you chew. Be aware of the urge to swallow and resist it for a moment. When you do swallow, try to follow the sensation down your throat. Notice any aftertaste or lingering sensations. This is mindful eating in its purest form. Practice this raisin meditation now. Let's explore mindful eating for different meals. Mindful breakfast. Start your day with intention by eating breakfast mindfully. Notice how different foods affect your energy and mood. Use breakfast as a way to set a peaceful tone for your day. Even if you only have 5 minutes, you can eat more mindfully. Mindful lunch. Use lunch as a midday reset. Step away from work and eat in a peaceful environment if possible. Notice how mindful eating affects your afternoon energy. This can prevent the afternoon energy crash many people experience. Mindful dinner. Make dinner a time of gratitude and reflection. If eating with others, encourage mindful conversation. Notice how the day's stress affects your eating patterns. Use dinner as a transition from work mode to rest mode. Mindful snacking. Before eating a snack, pause and ask, am I actually hungry? If yes, choose your snack mindfully and eat it with full attention. If no, explore what you're really seeking: comfort, distraction, or energy. Practice mindful eating with different meals throughout your day. Let's learn to eat with emotional awareness. Many people eat to cope with emotions rather than physical hunger. Mindful eating helps you distinguish between emotional and physical hunger. Before eating, check in with yourself. What am I feeling right now? Am I eating because I'm hungry or because I'm stressed, bored, or sad? What do I really need in this moment? If you're eating for emotional reasons, that's okay. Just do it with awareness rather than unconsciously. You might say, I'm choosing to eat this for comfort and I'm doing it mindfully. This awareness often naturally reduces emotional eating over time. Practice checking in with your emotions before eating. Let's explore mindful eating for anxiety management. When anxious, people often eat too quickly or skip meals entirely. Both patterns can worsen anxiety by destabilizing blood sugar. Mindful eating helps regulate your nervous system and blood sugar. Anxiety-reducing eating practices. Eat regular meals to maintain stable blood sugar. Choose foods that nourish rather than stimulate your nervous system. Avoid excessive caffeine, sugar, and processed foods when anxious. Include protein and healthy fats to sustain energy and mood. Eat in a calm environment to support digestion. Use meals as opportunities to practice presence and self-care. Practice these anxiety-reducing eating habits. Let's learn the body scan while eating. This practice combines mindful eating with body awareness. As you eat, periodically scan your body for sensations. Notice how different foods affect different parts of your body. Some foods might create warmth, others coolness. Some might energize you, others might make you feel heavy. Pay attention to your stomach's fullness signals. Notice when you feel satisfied rather than full. This body awareness helps you eat in harmony with your body's needs. Practice the body scan while eating your next meal. Let's explore gratitude practices with food. Before eating, take a moment to appreciate your food. Consider the incredible journey from seed to plate. Think about the farmers who grew your food. Appreciate the sun, rain, and soil that nourished it. Consider the people who transported, prepared, and served your food. This gratitude practice connects you to the web of life that sustains you. It also naturally slows down your eating and enhances satisfaction. You might say, "Thank you to all the hands that brought this food to me." Or, "I'm grateful for this nourishment and the life it will give me." Practice gratitude before your next meal. Let's learn mindful eating in social situations. Eating with others can be challenging for mindful eating. The key is finding balance between social connection and mindful awareness. You can still eat mindfully while engaging in conversation. Take moments between bites to fully taste your food. Chew slowly even while listening to others. Use natural pauses in conversation to check in with your body. You might even introduce others to mindful eating concepts. This can enhance the social experience rather than detract from it. Practice mindful eating in your next social meal. Let's explore mindful eating for digestive health. Proper digestion begins before food enters your mouth. The sight and smell of food trigger digestive enzymes. Chewing thoroughly breaks down food and mixes it with saliva. Eating slowly allows your stomach to signal fullness to your brain. Eating in a relaxed state optimizes digestive function. Mindful eating practices for better digestion. Take 3 deep breaths before eating to activate rest and digest mode. Chew each bite thoroughly before swallowing. Put your fork down between bites to slow your pace. Stop eating when you feel 80% full. Avoid drinking large amounts of liquid with meals. Take a short walk after eating to aid digestion. Practice these digestive supporting habits. Let's learn the mindful eating body scan meditation. This practice helps you tune into your body's responses to food. Before eating, sit quietly and scan your body. Notice your current hunger level on a scale of 1 to 10. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort. Set an intention to eat in a way that nourishes your body. During eating, periodically check in with your body. Notice how the food affects your energy and mood. After eating, scan your body again. Notice your fullness level and overall sense of well-being. This practice helps you learn your body's unique responses to different foods. Practice this body scan meditation with your next meal. Let's explore mindful eating for weight management. Mindful eating naturally supports healthy weight by improving satiety signals. When you eat slowly and pay attention, you feel satisfied with less food. You also become more aware of what foods truly nourish you. Mindful eating weight management principles. Eat when hungry, stop when satisfied. Choose foods that make your body feel good. Avoid eating while distracted, which can lead to overeating. Pay attention to emotional eating triggers. Focus on nourishment rather than restriction. Trust your body's wisdom about what and how much to eat. This approach is more sustainable than restrictive dieting. Practice trusting your body's hunger and fullness signals. Let's learn mindful eating for different food types. Different foods require different mindful eating approaches. Mindful eating of fruits. Notice the natural sweetness and how it satisfies cravings. Appreciate the vitamins and energy fruits provide. Mindful eating of vegetables. Notice the variety of textures, colors, and flavors. Appreciate how vegetables ground and nourish your body. Mindful eating of proteins. Notice how protein affects your satiety and energy. Appreciate the strength and building blocks protein provides. Mindful eating of grains. Notice how grains provide sustained energy. Appreciate the comfort and grounding quality of grains. Practice mindful eating with different food categories. Let's create a mindful eating practice plan. Choose one meal per day to eat completely mindfully. Start with the meal you're most likely to eat alone. Set up your eating environment to support mindfulness. Remove distractions and create a peaceful space. Begin each mindful meal with 3 conscious breaths. Eat slowly and chew thoroughly. Check in with your body's hunger and fullness signals. End each meal with gratitude for the nourishment received. Gradually expand mindful eating to other meals and snacks. Practice creating your personalized mindful eating plan now. Let's explore common challenges in mindful eating. Challenge 1. I don't have time to eat slowly. Solution. Even eating slightly more slowly makes a difference. You can practice mindful eating in just a few extra minutes. Challenge 2. I get distracted and forget to eat mindfully. Solution. Set reminders or create environmental cues. Place a note by your plate or set a phone reminder. Challenge 3. Mindful eating makes me eat too little. Solution. Trust your body's signals and eat when hungry. Mindful eating should lead to appropriate, not insufficient eating. Challenge 4. I feel guilty about enjoying food. Solution. Remember that pleasure in eating is natural and healthy. Mindful eating includes appreciating the joy food can bring. Let's practice a final mindful eating integration. This practice helps you carry mindful eating awareness throughout your day. Before each meal or snack today, pause for 3 breaths. Set an intention to eat with awareness and gratitude. During eating, return to mindfulness whenever you remember. After eating, notice how mindful eating affected your experience. Carry this awareness of nourishment and presence with you. Let mindful eating become a gateway to mindful living. Practice this integration throughout your day. Remember, every meal is an opportunity to practice presence. don't need to be perfect, just more aware than before. Mindful eating is a practice that deepens over time. Each mindful bite is a moment of meditation. Each meal eaten with awareness is a gift to yourself. Food becomes not just fuel for your body, but nourishment for your soul. This practice connects you to the present moment and to the web of life that sustains you. Tomorrow we'll explore facing your fears through imaginal exposure. If this practice nourished your body and soul, please like this video, subscribe to join our healing community, and share it with someone who needs to slow down and savor life. Share in the comments what you noticed when you ate mindfully today and how it affected your relationship with food. Until we meet again in tomorrow's practice, may every meal be a meditation and every bite a blessing. Namaste.